Air infiltration is a constant battle as we try to make a building energy efficient. And even with new construction, there are plenty of places where there are cracks, penetrations, places where air can leave the building, heat that you've paid for, and cold air can come in. Now, historically, we've always chased after it with caulking and weather stripping. But what if there was a way that we could seal every single crack in a building? It would be a game changer. Jordan Kreis is going to show us this new technology. Now, it's not exactly new technology, is it?
No, this has been around for a little while as far as the concept and the duct systems.
Right, we've used on duct systems to seal them up tight.
Yeah, so we use positive pressure basically to put a sealant inside and identify those leaks and seal them with the positive pressure.
Cool. So you got your blower door test. How's our existing house? This is new construction.
Sure, we just completed our test and we're at 3.8 ACH 50.
So ACH, that is air changes per hour. How much air would leak out of the building when you're pressurizing it, right? Mm-hmm. So what's the worst?
Sure, I've seen them as high as in the 20s.
Okay, so 3.87, what's that equivalent to?
That'd be the equivalent to probably this window being open about 5 inches or so.
Under pressure. Correct. That's a lot of heat leaving out.
Exactly.
Okay. All right, so what's the prep that you have to do?
Sure, so the prep process will actually tape off the windows so that the sealant doesn't actually seal the windows if they do in fact leak some.
You got to seal every single opening, anything that's going to leave to outside.
Yes, that will eventually be closed off, correct.
Okay.
So Richard, what we're going to do is use this hole where the deadbolt will eventually be to simulate an air leak. And we're going to put this mesh here, and we'll actually be able to see the technology seal this.
Seal right up, okay.
Correct.
Good. We'll come back and check that when we're done.
Here's the basic setup. Here's our blower door.
Yeah, good. The fan right there, yeah.
So this is what we're going to use to put the positive pressure in. Here's the laptop that essentially is controlling the whole system and telling everybody what to do.
Yeah.
This is a pump system inside of this box here that's going to
spray the material in.
Yeah, it's going to pull the material and pump it through the lines to the spray nozzle. And then this is actually the material here.
Oh, there it is, right there. So it looks a little bit like paint in that condition.
Very similar.
All right. You ready to go?
Yeah. Just got to hit start here.
Okay, great. Now, how long will it take to pressurize and seal it all up?
About 90 minutes.
Okay, cool. All right, so it's been about an hour. How'd we do?
We are down to 1 ACH 50.
Wow, so we started at what, 3.8, just under 4. Mm-hmm. All right, so that means we can have smaller heating and cooling equipment, right?
Exactly, we can right size the mechanicals to the home.
Perfect. All right, let's go check the door, how we did.
Okay.
All right, so it's almost completely blocked off. That is really cool.
Pretty good.
So you're gonna pull that?
Let's get this off here.
Look at that. Wow. The bullseye. Sealed up perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Great. So is there any place where we can see it going through the outside?
Here you go. Right here under the stairs.
So look at that. Between the old boards, it found a crack, even though there's insulation outboard of it. That is amazing.
Yeah.
It finds everything. So what about existing buildings? Do you have to just do new work?
No, this can be used in retrofit applications as well. Just need to protect the finished horizontal surfaces in the space.
And that's probably got as much possibilities as any. There's a lot of leaky houses out there.
A lot.
All right, so once we get it this tight, there's one more thing we got to think about, right? Getting fresh air into this building, mechanical ventilation.
You got it.
All right, that is really something.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.